welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make $100 per day from swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter. I've been a full-time swing trader for over 6 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people strategies on how to find stocks, on swing trading, on my strategies. Pretty much, guys, it's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, everything you guys need to get started and to become a full-time swing trader in the stock market. So check it out down below, and when you guys sign up right now, you guys get a free trading journal. So check it out down below, and let's dive into this here. So when it comes with swing trading and trying to make $100 per day, a lot of people say, well, Carter, you can't make $100 per day from swing trading. Yes, if your goal is to make $100 a day, you know, my process and thought process of that is on a 5-day trading week, that's $500. So my goal shouldn't be $100 a day. It should be a little broader of about $500 a week. That's a lot more realistic for a lot of traders, because then you feel like you don't have to trade every single day, on finding stocks and stuff like that. So the biggest thing, if you are just starting out with trading, guys, is to, one, focus on education. Don't try to get rich quick. Understand that swing trading is just like a job. It's just like any other career. It's going to take time. It's going to take effort, and more importantly, practice. And if I was just starting out and today was my first day wanting to become a swing trader, I would paper trade for 6 months to a year. And during that time, focus on education, building a strategy. After that, then I would fund an account with $100 and do like a small account challenge and just start that process of building your emotion side of trading, because emotion is very, very important. And then I would go into it a lot heavier after that. So guys, let's talk about an easy strategy you guys can use to make $100 a day. So this was a stock here that we recently called out, ticker symbol DHT. DHT here, one of the things that we look for stocks with opportunity. So in our scanner, because we don't buy just any old random companies, we have scanners, and then we also have a checklist before we buy. So for me, the first thing is a stock on an upward trend that is sold off down to some level of support. Now, support could be a variety of things. It could be indicators, could be price, it could be just whatever the stock has. So in this circumstance with DHT, you guys will notice it has heavy support on this red line, right? It hits it, even it hits it a little bit in here, and we got good buying pressure, hit it here, buying pressure, and then more importantly, hit it here. So now looking at this, just if you were a bystander on the sidelines, where would you want to buy this stock? Well, you'd want to buy it as close as you can to this red line. So this red line is what we call a 200-day moving average line. When the stock is above it, like it is up here, it acts as support. When the stock is below it, like I'm sure it's, sure it is somewhere in here, like it is in here, it acts as resistance, as you guys can see. So you always want to make sure the stock is above the moving average line. The next thing you want to look at is something called the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. So you guys can see it was trading for near around a 28. So for our checklist, I like anything under a 30. So now, as we look back, the last time it was trading for a 28 was all the way back. Let's see, it's been a while. Was all the way back a little bit in here where we had this good move where it went from $4.33 to, almost $8, which might not seem like a huge move, but that return is 9%. Okay, previous to that was in here where the stock went from about $4.40 to $6 right on that move in 2 months. So now as we look at it, we're building that checklist out. We have a stock with an upward trend. We have undervalued on the RSI. It's on the 200-day moving average line. The last thing that I always look at is going to be the MACD. The MACD is an indicator used to determine entry points. So historically, anytime this signal line, so this orange line breaks up through the blue line, that represents an entry point. So you guys can see actually we had that move right there, so we could see more buying pressure actually out of the stock. And then on the flip side, when the signal line breaks down through the MACD line. This represents the best time to exit the stock. And you guys can see if we would have exited here, we would have saved a lot of loss. So the biggest thing, guys, with swing trading is just focusing on good entry points. It's focusing on using your checklist, building a scanner that finds the type of strategy. And then the last thing here that I do want to talk about is going to be risk and reward. So us hopping in here on that 200-day moving average line, what you do is you just set your stops just a little bit below it, right? So you could set it about 1%, 2%, and then we could set our target up at the closest resistance, which is all the way up here, as you guys can see, at about 1164. So now our risk and reward is 3.51. So that means for every dollar we trade with, our goal is to make $3.51, which is a pretty nice risk and reward ratio. And guys, I know a lot of people are looking at some of these trades, and you probably see me make 1, 2, 3, 4%. That's what makes up swing trading. You know, a lot of people have this association that you're trying to turn $100 into $100 a day. No, you're not trying to find a stock for 20 cents and sell it at $100. That won't happen. It's very, very unlikely that will ever happen. But where you actually make your money as a trader is finding a stock for $1 and selling it at $1.10. And you just do that consistently over the course of a year. And the good thing about trading is the profits you make today can be used as leverage tomorrow. You have very, very fast compounding effect, because you can compound your profits into your next trade. But like always, make sure you have good risk and reward. You follow your checklist, you follow your stock scanners, and more importantly, you just never stop that process of learning and documenting your trade. So guys, make sure you guys check out our amazing swing trading school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. And like I said, right now, you guys get a trading journal where you guys can draw out your checklist. You can describe your setup, your emotions, your trade breakdown, comments, notes, errors, ways to improve your performance, your position size, risk and reward, result, stop loss, target price, profit, trade rate. So check this out. I do sell this separately on Amazon for about $10. But if you want to learn about how to find stocks with opportunity, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care, guys.